for coming.
I fear I lack the words to convey the true depths of my sympathy. To lose a child once is unimaginable. But for it to be both children...
Listen, I know you and I haven't always been on the same side of things, but, Laurel, you know, just thought of you as a friend.
Just as I thought of her. She brought me comfort during a difficult time period. The world will be a darker place without her.
Yeah, well, not for long. Okay, I got all the things. What else do I need?
I'm afraid I don't understand.
What else do I have to bring for her when she comes out of this, you know, Lazarus pit thing?
I would do anything for your daughter. But I destroyed the pit months ago.
Okay, well, there's gotta be, something else.
I am so very sorry.
So you don't want to help me? Fine. I'll find some other way to bring it back.
Arrow, all new episode this Wednesday at 8/7 Central on the CW.